Baudil.
You rant about
what? You know who I could rant about? I could rant about fucking Wargasm.
I don't like that guy. He told me to calm down for playing the game. I was on the point. I'm like, I need ammo. No, Wargasm. I was like, hey guys, you need ammo on the point in proximity chat. And then Wargasm's like, dude, calm down. What?
So keep a close eye on where you are in the sky compared to others. Alright guys, 10 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit, where are they?
I just saw them.
Yeah, they just...
They were there for a second, and then they disappeared.
Oh shit!
I got the medic composite helmet. Ugh. I already have a helmet I bought.
Yo, I got some wheel spikes for the grass.
Oh, that's
I wonder what would happen if we went into a damn orbital strike beam. What would happen there?
I just tried it.
We wouldn't die. We wouldn't die.
Why is everything like glow more?
Alright guys, it's officially rammed.
Because it's a J.J. Abrams movie.
Last one standing in the air wins. Ram everyone.
In the area.
Oh, but the reavers can shoot though. Ow. Fuck you, whoever just shot me.
Yo, why you guys shoot me, assholes? You fucking dicks. You fucking assholes.
Alright, well this has been fun, but I need to restart my dang planet side. I'll restart my game.
Yeah, guys, this has been great. Thank you for following Red Eye Meme Night. This is why I love the NC. It's just everyone's super chill and we're just awesome people. You guys were great. We won that alert, which is something to be proud of.
Get that hostile liberator.
Where's that?
That's two in a row.
Don't worry, I'm going for a dive bomb on him.
Unfortunately, I am gonna have to get off. It's been great. Gently.
Oh, I won that, so that's good. Alright guys, see you guys next time. I had fun playing this.